Hey guys, I'm Kaylee.
I'm Bree.
And today we're going to be doing the Twin Telepathy
Telepathy
Slime
Slime
Challenge. Okay, so we're going to pick our glues, and we have these little tiny glitter glues. One of them is silver and green, and the other one is blue and gold. So, I'm going to choose this one. So,
Oh yeah, that's lovely.
okay, so I got my slime all mixed up. How about you?
Yeah.
Alright, so now we're gonna go ahead and activate these. And I should have made up some more activator before I started this video, but oh well, it won't take much because it's really tiny.
Oh, my bad.
Okay, so we may have to add like some more glue to these because they're so tiny. So I'm just gonna grab some green glitter glue. I'm just gonna add this to the slime because yeah, we need just a little bit more glue. So I'll add mine and then I'll hand you the bottle. I'm just adding a little bit.
We still don't know which one we chose.
Yeah, we'll both have the green glitter glue, but you guys know it. You know. Okay, so the next round is gonna be shaving cream and model magic. So yeah.
How do they expect us to do that? You got the scissors?
I think we basically know what each other's choosing. So
I can't open it!
choose your teeth.
But I already freaking have slime all over it.
You got slime all over your teeth?
No, all over the package.
Okay, so I'm gonna add like a little bit because this is tiny slime.
Whatever y'all do. Y'all use this at home, kids. I just can't, guys. It's just scissors. Wonderful, beautiful scissors.
So I feel like mine's a little bit overactivated. Yeah, that happens sometimes. So
Why does it look like soap?
it doesn't smell like spit.
Okay. So now we can choose our own beads. Hopefully I do this right. Don't try this at home, kids. See. Do you not hear mine falling? Stay with me. Ooh, it feels cool. And I'm like, oh! Don't lean down.
Okay, so I got my beads all mixed in. Do you?
Mm-hmm.
Are you ready to remove the board?
Mine looks awkward.
Are you ready?
Mine doesn't have a full color, but it's okay.
Okay, let's remove the board. 3,
2,
2, 1.
1.
What's going on with yours? What? What did you do?
Nothing.
Well, mine looks green. Bree's looks multicolored.
It's okay. Multicolor is good.
So let's see. You obviously chose the blue and gold throne one. I chose green and silver.
So that's why.
And then, what did you choose round 2?
I chose pearls.
Round 2, shaving cream.
Oh. Yeah.
Did you use both? Bree used both.
That's why it didn't work. Leave me alone.
Alright, so that is it for today's video. If you guys haven't already, please press that subscribe button. And this video will also be over on Bree's channel, so go check it out and give us a follow on Instagram. I will have those linked down below as well. And yeah,
We'll have better videos next time and I'll follow directions. But yeah.
bye guys!